Bling! Huh?
Hi everyone, welcome back to Daily Doodles, and today I'm going to show you how to draw the character Dolores from the movie Encanto. Before we get started, I'm going to remind you folks how awesome it would be if you would like and comment and subscribe, because it really helps out the channel a lot. And also, just a quick reminder that we have a contest going on right now at Daily Doodles. So any information about that you can find down in the description box below the video. All right, so now let's get started on our Dolores drawing. I am going to start with her eyes. She's got some great big eyes. I'm going to do a line like that, and we're going to come on up like that. And now we're going to do a circle inside, more of like an oval, I guess, and a little circle inside that. And then another circle, but a bit bigger, and then we can color that one in all dark. And now we're going to thicken up here this part of her eye and just darken it in a bit. Okay, and now we're going to add a few eyelashes. So just a few little wispy lashes. And they can be, some can be long, some can be shorter. It's all good. Now above her eye, we're going to do an eyebrow, and it's going to look like this. So kind of a silly shape right here, and we have like a little point right here, but we can draw up top a little line and then connect it down here to the bottom of the eyebrow, and we can fill that in with little wisps, little bits of hair. So that's all an eyebrow is, bits of hair. All right, so now we are going to give it a bit of space and do the other eye. So same shape as before. A like rainbow shape, and then a little curve under. And now we're going to do the exact same thing we did right here. So just going to do that here now. We got our like oval shape with our circle inside, and then another darkened circle in that. And we're going to darken up and thicken up this side of her eye too, just like we did with the other one. And then of course, add a few little wispy eyelashes. Just a few. And now another eyebrow. But this one's going to be a little bit different. This one's going to come up with a little curve like this. And then come on over and down a little bit. And then we can add little wispy lines to fill it in. Okay, so now let's move down a little bit, but in the middle, and we're going to give her her nose. So just a little curve like that, and then a little bigger curve, and then another little one too. So we just had like 3 little bumps. And then down from that, her mouth. So she's gonna have her lips kind of, well, her face right now is a face that looks like she's listening. And we know that her gift is that she is a awesome listener. So we're gonna come on up, go down a little bit, come on up again a little bit, and come on down. And then we're going to do a little line like that. So we can see that the lips that we're doing, it's not directly underneath the nose, like in the middle, but just to the side a little bit. And then she needs a lower lip, like that, kind of like a U. And then her lips are opened a little bit here, so we're gonna do that. And then I'm gonna come forward and do a little line right there. That. So now a little ways underneath her lips, I'm gonna start on the chin. So I'm curving up. And you can see I'm just sketching, and we're gonna give her a cheek. Okay, and now on the other side, I'm coming down here by the eye and the other cheek there, and then we're curving in and we're gonna meet at that chin. Okay, like that. So now let's work on the hair. So we're gonna come on up a little bit here with our lines for the sides of her face. And she has some really dark curly hair. So I'm just making a pile of like U shapes right now. I just did a pile of little U's all the way here. And I'm going to do a bit of her hair right here on the sides, on either side of her face. And she's got a red bow in her hair. So I'm going to do a shape like this. So kind of like a rectangle or a square with rounded edges. And then shape like that. And same on the other side. And I can do a few little lines here in the middle, and same over here. And now we're going to draw a line right here to connect up to where I started the hair here on the sides. And I'm going to do a line from here all the way down right here. And same on the other side. So that is the band that the bow is on. And now we can do a pile of curvy, wavy, curly lines. She has so many curls sitting up on top of her head. So I'm just doing all kinds of little squiggly curls. Just like that. And now she needs ears, and she has really good ears, and they're a little bit big. So I'm just gonna do like the shape of a C. But we want to make room for earrings too. She's got earrings. So I'm going to do a circle here and another circle attached to it. And we're going to do some little curve like that, and then come on in, down like that. So it's like a weird little hook. And over on the other side, we're going to do the exact same thing. So our ear shape, but we're going to make it a little bit big. And then 2 circles for the earrings, and then our squiggly hook kind of shape for the inside of her ear. Now we're going to do another little circle inside that top circle, and now she needs a neck. So we'll come on down here and here on this side, and her necklace, we gotta make room for her necklace. So we're gonna do a curve like that, and then thicken right here on this part of her neck, and then come on across And do a little teeny tiny line right here. And another circle. And a circle inside that circle. So this necklace actually matches with her earrings. And now I'm going to do a little line here and a little line there. And do a U shape here. So this is the collar of her shirt. And we can come on over. And same over here. And this top part of her shirt, this top piece is like kind of thick, and it has like little frilly kind of, it looks like little lacy bits. So I'm just kind of doing little sketchy U shapes all along here. And I'm going to do a U shape here. And draw a curved line here. All right, so I'm gonna get started coloring soon, but the first thing I'm gonna do with my coloring is I'm gonna take my yellow, and part of the detail on her shirt here is like she's got little yellow marks on her shirt and like a little circle above. So I'm just going to do that now with this yellow marker, drawing it in this way. And I'm slowly running out of room, so it's getting smaller and smaller. Okay, so now I'm going to get started coloring, and I guess we'll probably speed this part up. All right, folks, so we are finished our picture of Dolores. So I hope you had fun drawing. I hope you have a really, really, really good day, and I hope to see you back here next time for the next Daily Doodle. Okay, everybody, goodbye.